fifth example. So fifth example is 40 upon 29, comma 141 upon 29. 141 upon 29. Again, what you are observing? Denominators of both the fractions are same. So first we will write reason. Denominator of both fractions is same. Therefore, compare the, what we have to compare? Numerators, right? So 40 is less than 141. 40 is less than or smaller than 141, right? सभी बच्चों को इजीली समझ सकता है कि 40 जो है काउंटिंग नंबर्स में पहले आता है, 141 बाद में आता है. Therefore 40 is less than 141. Therefore finally we can say 40 upon 29 is less than 141 upon 29. This is our answer, right? Now we have to solve sixth bit. Minus 17 upon 20, comma minus 13 upon 20. सेम एग्जाम्पल चल रहे हैं, बस न्यूमिनेटर्स में थोड़े से चेंजेस है. अगेन डिनोमिनेटर ऑफ बोथ द फ्रैक्शंस आर सेम, just we have to compare their numerators. Again we have to write denominator of both the fractions is same, that is 20. Therefore compare numerators, right? So minus 17 and minus 13 we have to check. So minus 17 is less than minus 13. It's simple. Why? Because minus 17 is far away as compared to minus 13 from the origin, that is 0. Means minus 17 जो है 0 से ज़्यादा दूरी पर है as compared to minus 13. Means 4 पॉइंट जो है minus 13 से और आगे है लेफ्ट हैंड साइड में minus 17. That's why minus 17 is less than minus 13. Therefore we can conclude our answer minus 17 upon 20 is less than minus 13 upon 20. ये जो लेफ्ट हैंड साइड का जो रूल बताया मैंने कि जो नंबर 0 से जितना दूर रहेगा उतना छोटा रहेगा, वैसे ही 0 के राइट हैंड साइड, ओरिजिन के राइट हैंड साइड वैसा है, उसका रिवर्स रहता है. जो नंबर जितना दूर रहेगा 0 से राइट साइड तो वो नंबर उतना बिगर रहेगा. गॉट इट? So what we have seen in today's lecture, example number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 up to 6, right? Now we will see the different example as compared to all 6 bits. थोड़ा सा अलग है 7th bit, हम उसको चेक करते हैं how to solve those type of questions or examples, right? So remember some rules or conditions, we can say. If, first rule, if A into D is less than B into C, then A upon B is less than C upon D, right? These are some rules. Now second rule, if A into D is bigger than B into C, then A upon B is greater than C upon D, right? Next rule, if A into D is equal to B into C, then both the fractions, that is A upon B, is equal to C upon D, right? These are the some rules. So from these rules we have to solve next examples on the basis of these rules. So in continuation, the next seventh bit is 15 upon 12. Seventh bit is 15 upon 12 comma 7 upon 16. This is slightly different. Now we will check how to solve this type of example. Means we have to check which fraction is bigger and which fraction is smaller. Let A is equal to 15, B is equal to 12, C is equal to 7 and D is equal to 16. Look in front all of you. What I am doing? Now I am multiplying A into D. That is, what is A? 15 and what is D? 16. So A multiply by D. It means 15 multiply by 16. Rough work. 15 multiply by 16. 6 5s are 30. Carry 3. 6 1s are 6 plus 3 9. 1 5s are 5. 1 1s are 1 0. 9 plus 5 14. Carry 1. 1 plus 1 2. So multiplication is 240. Now we have to multiply B and C. B into C we have to check. What is B? 12 into C 7. 12 sevens are 84. It's very simple. Just we have to look at carefully, right? So A into D is 240 and B into C 84. According to rule number 2. According to rule number 2. The rule is A into D is greater than B into C. दैट इज, क्या समझ में हम क्यों अप्लाई किया मैंने ये रूल कि A इंटू डी का जो आंसर है वो B इंटू सी से बड़ा है मल्टीप्लीकेशन. A इंटू डी दैट इज 240 is bigger than B into C, that is 84. Therefore we can conclude if A into D is greater than B into C, then A upon B is greater than C upon D. Therefore we can conclude that 15 upon 12 is bigger than 7 upon 16. This is our आंसर, राइट. क्या समझ में हमने क्या क्या किया इसमें? लेट A इज इक्वल टू 15, B इज इक्वल टू 12, C इज इक्वल टू 7 एंड D इज इक्वल टू 16. बिकॉज ये ऐसे टाइप के नंबर से, ऐसे टाइप के फ्रैक्शन से कि देखते हैं उसको समझ में नहीं आता है कि विच फ्रैक्शन इज बिगर और विच फ्रैक्शन इज स्मॉलर. सो वी आर अप्लाइंग दिस मेथड. फर्स्ट A मल्टीप्लाई बाय D. So A is 15, D is 16. 15 into 16, 240. Then B into C, 12 into 7, that is 12 sevens are 84. So हमको क्या समझ में आया ये दोनों नंबर से? A into D is greater than B into C, that is 240 is bigger than 84. जब कभी भी ऐसा होता है A into D is greater than B into C, then first fraction will be bigger than second fraction, that is A upon B is greater than C upon D. right? So next examples we will see in next lecture. Thank you.